Good morning, everyone. I am representing goal number 1, no poverty. This goal means ending poverty in every form across the world. Poverty is not only about having no money, but also about lack of food, shelter, education, and health care. SDG1 ensures that everyone has equal access to opportunities, social-based protection, and basic human needs so that no one is left behind.
I am representing goal number 2, zero hunger. The aim is to completely remove hunger and malnutrition. Millions of people, especially children, suffer from not having nutritious food. This goal focuses on providing healthy food to all, supporting farmers, improving farming techniques, and to make sure that food is available and affordable too.
I am representing goal number 3, good health and well-being. This goal is about ensuring that all people can live healthy lifestyles. It includes proper health care, safe medicines, maternal and child health, vaccination and protection from diseases. It also promotes mental health, healthy lifestyles and better healthcare systems so people can live long and fulfilling lives.
I am representing goal number 4, quality education. Education is a key to development. This goal ensures that every child, boy or girl, rich or poor, gets free, inclusive and quality education. It also focuses on lifelong learning opportunities, better school, trained teachers, and equal access to knowledge everyone everywhere.
I am representing goal number 5, gender equality. This goal is about giving equal rights to men and women. In many places, women faces discrimination and violence. SDG 5 ensures equal opportunities in education, work, decision making, and leadership. It also fights against child marriage and harmful practices so that girls and women can live with dignity and freedom.
I am representing goal number 6, clean water and sanitation. Clean water is a basic human right, yet many people do not have safe drinking water. This goal ensures that everyone has access to clean water, proper sanitation and hygiene. It also works to protect rivers, lakes, groundwater from pollution because water is life.
I am representing goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Energy powers our homes, schools and industries. This goal promotes the use of clean and renewable energy sources like solar, wind and hydropower. It ensures that electricity is affordable, reliable and safe for all while also protecting the environment from harmful fossil fuels.
I am representing goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. This goal is about creating good jobs for everyone and making economic growth fairly. It ensures good working conditions, fair wages and opportunities for young people. It also encourages business to work responsibly and support innovation without harming people or nature.
I am representing goal number 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure. For a country to grow its need strong infrastructure like road, bridges, technology, industries. This goal promote modern, sustainable and eco-friendly industries, new invention and access to digital technology. It also ensures that development reaches both cities and rural areas.
I am representing goal number 10, reduce inequalities. This goal focuses on making the world fair by reducing the gap between the rich and the poor. It ensures no one is discriminated against based on caste, gender, race, religion, disability or background. Everyone should have equal chance to to success and live with respect.
I am representing goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities. As more people live in cities, it is important to make them safe, clean and inclusive. This goal ensures affordable housing, good public transport, green spaces, clean air and disaster-resistant cities. It focuses on building communities where people can live happily and sustainably.
I am representing goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. This goal is about using resource wisely and reducing waste. It encourages recycling, reusing and reducing pollution from industries and households. By consuming responsibly, we protect nature and save resources for the future, keep our environment clean.
I am representing goal number 30, that is climate action. Climate action is one of the biggest threats to the life on Earth. This goal focuses on reducing greenhouse gas, controlling pollution, planting trees, and using renewable energy. This also calls on all countries to act together to protect our planet from rising temperature and natural disaster.
I am representing goal number 14, life below water. Oceans cover most of our planet and provide food, oxygen and livelihoods. But pollution, overfishing and plastic waste are harming marine life. These goals protect ocean, seas and rivers. They ensure it remain clean and healthy for fish, plants and people who depend on them.
I am representing goal number 15. Life on land, forests, animals and plants are vital for life. This goal works to stop deforestation, protect endangered animals and restore land that has been damaged. This goal also encourages us to care for our biodiversity and ensure that human and nature can live in a balance. I am representing goal number 16, peace, justice and strong institutions. Without peace and justice, development cannot be happen. This goal is about ending of violence, corruption and injustice. It ensures that government are fair, honest and strong. It also protects human rights and give people equal access to justice and law. I am representing goal number 17, partnerships for the goals. No single country can achieve these goals alone. This final goal is about global cooperation, countries, organizations, businesses and other people working together by sharing knowledge, resources and technology. The world can achieve sustainable development by 2030. Thank you. Stop.